Today, we're diving into something that might sound crazy. Could prompt engineering, which is a cool name for writing instructions in plain English, be the hottest programming language of 2024? So buckle up because we're about to explore the wild world of large language models and prompt engineering, which are set to disrupt how we interact with technology today. Before we dig in, let's first understand how we actually interact with technology today. Our laptops and mobile devices have operating systems like Windows, Mac, Android, etc. On top of that, we install tons of software applications which become our interface for performing tasks like browsing internet, booking a cab, playing music, etc. We click icons, navigate menus, and maybe even type some code. But have you ever stopped to think how indirect this interaction is? It's like trying to talk to a friend through a series of complicated hand signals. But what if there's a better way? One where language model becomes the primary interface, enabling us to perform all the desired tasks. These models, taking instructions in plain English, formally called prompts, and turn these instructions into actions. Andrej Karpathy, a founding member of OpenAI, describes LLMs not as chatbots or fancy word generators, but as the kernel process of an emerging operating system. Sounds like science fiction, right? But it's already happening with the launch of handful of new age devices that are paving the way for the future. Now, when language models take center stage and become our primary interface with compute power, there's a world of possibilities this will unlock. Imagine telling your computer in plain English to analyze complex data sets, design a website, or even write code for you. That's where prompt engineering comes into play. Take, for example, programming. Writing code is complex and could sound like sorcery. But what if anyone could program just by giving instructions in natural language? With the emergence of copilots, this disruption has already begun. In Software 2.0, it's only going to get cooler. Prompt engineering might sound fancy, but it's basically talking to AI models in a way they understand best. Want to unlock their full potential and become a true AI whisperer? Here's your cheat sheet. First up, be clear, concise, and specific. Imagine your prompt as a roadmap for the AI. Tell your model exactly what you want using simple, direct language. Second, directly chat with them. Imagine asking an AI to summarize a document, write a creative story, or even generate code, all through simple conversation. Third, build them into your programs. Want to analyze social media sentiment or create a chatbot? You can use LLMs as building blocks within your own code, giving them specific tasks to perform. Fourth, befriend other prompt engineers. The AI community is full of helpful folks. Join online forums, attend workshops, and share your learnings with others. You'll be surprised how much you can pick up from each other. And 5, dive deeper into AI. Understanding how LLMs work will make you a better prompter. Learn about their strengths and limitations, different architectures, and common biases. Here are some resources to get you started. We have done a bunch of video on our channel. Link is in description. So to summarize, is prompt engineering the new programming language? In a way, yes. It's the language of communication with these powerful AI tools that are going to take center stage in our interaction with computing power. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights. Until next time, happy coding.